Muthia kocha Robert Matano wa kirabu gia Tusker na gitumi gia gukorwa gikena thutha wa kwandikithio hotani wake wa mbere hari ngucanio ithano iria kirabu giake githakite ica ikuhi thutha wa njamba ciake kurumia kirabu gia Kericho Sharks na bao 3-1 hwaini uyu kiharo-ini kia Ruaraka Stadium.
I did a lot of talk, a lot of motivation training to boost their morale, and then they can come and concentrate and play.
They had a good game, of course. Tusker had their chances early on, took them off, and within the first 20 minutes you're 2-0 down. Of course, we showed a very good character trying to come up.
Uhotani uyu wa Tusker wo marugamirie na baithano ligi-ini no na pointi 29 kuria manyitanire na kirabu kia Kericho Sharks no makamakira na wingi wa bao irabu ciothe ithakite ngucanio 18 kimera giki. Ligi ino riu itongoretio ni kirabu gia Sofapaka aria mena pointi 36 thutha wa kuhura kirabu kia Mount Kenya United na bao 3-1 muthi kiharo-ini gia Kenyatta Stadium. No uritu wothe wa ligi ino ya KPL konekana kurituhira makiria kirabu kia Bandari FC thutha wa gutungio igutha ria uria keri kirumaniririo ligi-ini ino riria mahurirwo ni kirabu gia Kakamega Homeboys na bao 2-1 kiharo-ini kia Mbaraki Stadium. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Geto Shohi wa Ithefethi.